Hello guys, Leslie at Smith Tie here, and today I will be showing you guys how to build this fuel valve. In your fuel valve kit, you will have one dowel pin, one valve ball, two set screws, one valve spring, two pre-lubed small O-rings, and one pre-lubed big O-ring, and of course, your body and your handle. You will first start off by grabbing your handle and your big O-ring and sliding it down the handle as so. On each side of the fuel handle, there will be two small O-ring slots in which you can slide these small O-rings in. Your fuel handle should now look like this with the O-rings placed. We will now get started on the fuel body. Using a 332-inch hex key wrench, we will use the first set screw and screw that into the right side of the fuel body. We are now moving to the second step of the fuel body. You will grab your valve spring and place that into the little hole in the middle of the fuel body. You will then grab your valve ball and carefully place that on top of the spring. Now we bring back the fuel handle. You will carefully be sliding that into the fuel body so as we slide it in, the valve ball does not fall off. Using the dowel pin that I pre-lubed as well before this video, we are going to be sliding it into the left side of the body like so. If you are having trouble sliding it in, you can press down on the handle and it will slide right in. Now we will use our 332 hex wrench once again, and with our second screw, we will be screwing that into the left side where we just placed the dowel pin. If you have done everything correctly, your fuel valve should now look like this. Now we want to make sure that both lights click on and off, and although very faint, this is what it should sound like. Now, one of our last steps here at Smith Tie is screwing in these screw covers so you guys don't receive them damaged. And that is how you build a fuel valve. Thank you guys for following along, and I hope this tutorial was really helpful for anybody having trouble or if you just want to rebuild your own.